Why is the price of a financial trading operation counter relatively high? Why is the price of custom-made aluminum, steel, wood financial trading operation tables relatively high? When it comes to financial trading operation tables, we often see products made of various materials, such as aluminum, steel, wood, etc. However, why do some people choose to customize aluminum, steel, wood financial trading operation tables instead of purchasing ready-made products? One of the important reasons is the price. Let's take a look at why the price of customized operation consoles is relatively high. First of all, the customized operation console needs to be designed and manufactured according to individual requirements. Compared with ready-made products, customized operation tables are more flexible and diverse. Customers can customize in terms of size, function, material, and other aspects according to their own transaction needs and preferences. This leads to higher production costs and process requirements, thereby causing prices to rise. Secondly, the customized operation console pursues high quality and personalization. Customized products are usually designed and manufactured by professional teams, with a focus on details and craftsmanship. Whether high-quality materials are selected or advanced production technologies are adopted, both will enhance the quality and service life of the products. This requirement for high quality and personalization also provides a reason for the increase in the price of custom operation consoles. In addition, the production process of custom operation consoles requires more manual operation and time consumption. Compared with mass-produced ready-made products, the production of custom operation tables usually requires more manpower and time. From design to manufacturing, every link requires meticulous operation and strict quality control to ensure product quality and customer satisfaction. Therefore, this labor and time cost is also one of the factors contributing to the relatively high price of custom operation consoles. To sum up, the relatively high price of custom aluminum, steel, wood financial trading operation tables is caused by the combined effect of multiple factors. Flexible customization demands, high quality requirements, as well as labor and time costs are all reasons for the price increase. Although the price is relatively high, the customized operation console can meet individualized needs and provide better quality and user experience.